episode. I'm gonna come at you with something nice and delicious. You do not want to miss this. I'm Chef Winston and welcome to Floribbean cuisine. Let's take an orange and tighten it up. No, that sounds kind of weird. Let's start this over again. Let's take some oranges and get to cooking. Oranges, like I said, I've got a whole bunch of oranges. Look at all these oranges. This is not even all the oranges. They have more oranges on top of that. What happened? The reason I got so many oranges, I was doing an event last week, a special event. It was an outdoor event and we had our conch salad cart out there selling fresh conch salad to the patrons. It was a great, successful event, but I ended up with a whole bunch of oranges. So what I decided to do is just do an orange takeover and do multiple recipes with some oranges. And this particular recipe I'm going to share with you guys today, this will be my Floribbean Orange Rum Pancakes. This is going to be nice, tasty, fluffy, great for any brunch. So let's get to go making this up together, okay? First thing first, in any good pancake, you want to make sure you have your separation of dry ingredients and wet ingredients. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my dry ingredient and start putting it into my sifter. What I got here, I got a little sifter. When you sift it, you're aerating and keeping it light and fluffy. This helps your pancake to be nice and fluffy by sifting all of the ingredients together. So the first part is the flour. So after adding the flour, you're gonna follow that with some sugar, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. We're gonna sift this all inside of here. See, this is how this looks. Sift it inside. Perfect, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Oh yes. So then following behind this, we're gonna start working on our wet ingredients. This is gonna be so good. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Let people see the fun stuff you'll be getting over here with Chef Winston and Floribbean cuisine. So for the wet ingredients, I'm gonna add some buttermilk, orange juice. This is the orange takeover, baby. Orange takeover. We got some dark rum, vanilla, and 1 egg. And we're gonna mix this all together. Smelling so good already. Ooh, yes. So from there, what we're gonna do, we're gonna combine these two items. We're gonna combine the wet with the dry, just like this. Start pouring your wet into your dry. And you're gonna fold it. Now, as you fold in pancakes, you do not want to stir it too much. Because lumps are good when it comes to pancakes. If you got some lumps, that's okay. So we want it to look like this. See that? Beautiful. It's exactly what I'm looking for. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my griddle together and we're gonna set this aside to rest. So while this is resting, let's go ahead and make our syrup. I forgot to put melted butter. We need that melted butter. Extra flavor, extra moistness, some fat. That's what we call that. Okay? Then we're gonna fold this up very gently and rest it on the side. So let's go to the back here and start making our orange rum syrup. This is gonna be so good. Follow me in the back. So let's make this beautiful orange rum syrup. How we're gonna start this is this. I've got some orange juice. Orange juice goes into my pot with some vanilla, dark rum, butter, okay? Bring this up to a boil. While that's doing that, we're gonna introduce some honey. That's right, honey is gonna be the thickener, and honey is gonna be the main sweetener on this, not brown sugar or anything like that. About that much. Let's bring this up to a boil. Ah, beautiful, this is gonna be nice. So as this comes to a simmer, you can see how thick it has gotten. This is a syrup, orange rum syrup. Oh, beautiful. Ah, all right, so this is done. So let's turn this off, let this hang out, and we're gonna start cooking the pancakes. Building masterpiece, baby. So what I got here, the batter has been resting for about 5 to 8 minutes. Looking good. I got a griddle here at 300. We're gonna test it out. I got some butter, so we're gonna lubricate our griddle to start making these beautiful orange rum pancakes. My Floribbean orange rum pancakes. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell when you're subscribing. After you subscribe, so you don't miss one single episode. Subscribe. Yeah, love it, love it. Check this out. So, I've got my griddle here working. I'm gonna take my 1/4 cup scoop and start portioning out this beautiful batter. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh man. Portion them out. Don't put them too close so they stick together. The quarter measuring cup is a good portion for these pancakes. Get nice little stacks. Ah, ooh, look at this. Beautiful batter, fragrant, the rum, the orange. Orange take over on this episode. Turn this up a little bit more. Once you put the batter down, you do not want to touch this. You want to wait until it starts setting up. You're gonna look for holes. The heat gonna penetrate through the batter, create holes and bubbles. You're gonna see the bubble rise up and it's gonna fall back in like little craters. You can see this happening right there. That is saying the heat is penetrating through the batter. So when you start when you see a lot of those started happening and the edges beginning to look a little dry, that's when you're gonna turn it over. Let it take its time. You don't want to rush this masterpiece. Looking good, looking good. Right after this, I'm gonna create a beautiful orange slice garnish that's gonna go really good with this. Masterpiece building. Stay tuned, baby. Coming right back. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make a beautiful garnish to accompany this beautiful pancake with this beautiful orange rum syrup. So what we're doing is this. I've got some butter and I'm gonna work some brown sugar in to this skillet. Turn this up a little bit. Whoa, what happened there? I'm gonna work this the brown sugar into this. Oh yes. Let the butter melt with the brown sugar to caramelize a little bit. So we're making some caramelized oranges basically. That's what we're doing right now. Melt this here beautifully, like that. So I'm gonna take these orange slices and start frying them, so to speak, on both sides. Some candied or caramelized orange. Turn this down. Oh, look how beautiful this looks. This will be an extra niceness for, woo, man, you guys are in for a treat. I cannot wait. Extra niceness here for this pancake and the syrup. I'm gonna cook these oranges very slowly in this here, okay? Yes, so, these smell so good. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's go over here, get our syrup. Our candied oranges. Oh my goodness. Caramelized oranges or candied oranges, whatever you want to call it. Beautiful. Syrup on point. Everything looking just right. Let me give this a taste. Brunch will never be the same. This Floribbean style pancake, something you definitely gotta give a try. I'm gonna put some butter on here. Yes! I'm gonna drizzle some of this orange, this orange rum syrup, dark rum syrup. Oh my gosh, smells good. Take one of these candied oranges on top here. Let's dive in. Something special, something unique, something fun. Let's see what we're working with. Woo! Cannot wait. Try this here. One more time. Oh my goodness. Guys. So much niceness is happening here. These pancakes, nice, tender, moist, fluffy. This orange rum syrup, not too sweet. It got the notes of that rum inside, a little citrusness, citrusy of the oranges coming together. And then topping it with this candied orange. This right here, I think, is the showstopper of the whole thing, because the flavor, the skin, the citrus, the fresh oranges that brings to this dish. Take it a step higher. This is something you definitely gotta try. Would you try this here? If you're gonna try this here, put in the comments. Orange takeover winner. Let me know how it came out for you. You definitely gotta try this. This recipe, the ingredients, all the ingredients for this recipe will be listed below in the description. And the recipe is also in a digital form for you as well. You don't want to miss out on this one here. You gotta give this one a shot. I'm gonna go ahead, continue enjoying this. Please, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my cooking show. Every week I'm bringing you something nice and tasty. Until next time, cheers.